ARV, after remodel value, and then you have repairs, right? And then the costs associated with that deal. So typically speaking, an investor will buy something at 80% of the ARV minus repairs. So let's say in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath example that the house is $400,000, right? Fully remodeled, but it costs 50 grand, right? So that's 320 minus 50, the offer's 270. You're like, that's kind of a kick in the pants. Yeah, most commonly that seller would make more money on the open market, right? And they may be on the open market, right? But the condition may not make it favorable, right? The 80% is not a 20% profit to that flipper, right? They have the cost of purchasing the property. Typically they have hard money, which is 2% on closing costs, and then 1% a month of actually holding fees. Then they have, of course, the repairs. Then they have the cost of repairs. And then when they go to sell it, the remodel's done, they have to put it on the market and list it with a realtor and pay closing costs and commissions and whatnot, right? And things come up in inspections and all these items, right? So really they're looking to make 5-10%, right? But have those costs encompassed, and an 80% rule is just an easy way of doing it.